I will fuck someone here. Because I'm not the victim. That I want to fuck. What telephone? Oh, come on. Wala, no. You cannot do that, Wala. She's a woman. She's a woman.
Hey, I'm gonna call the police.
Wala ba festa? Girl, you need to stop. Whose phone is it? Whose phone is it? Wow, oh my God, I don't give a fuck. I need my car keys now. If not, I'm going to call the county police. I need my car keys now. Give me my car keys. I got two phone. I don't got your car keys. You got my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Tell me what about mine? What about mine? Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Please don't videotape me.
No, I'm talking about...
Don't fucking videotape me.
Get the fuck out of here. Did that... No. Va déclaration le Chuko.
Mais bataille.
Ma peur de loin. Ah, bon, tu vois qu'il chante, oui. Yo, Roland, retire. Roland, Pigot, don't get yourself involved in that shit. Yo, Roland, Pigot, al tomber dans problème pour bullshit, man. Roland, Pigot, al tomber dans bullshit pour problème, man.
Roland, are you fucking listening? That's my phone. Give me my phone. That's mine.
Mais après les policiers, give her a phone.
That's my phone. No, that's hers. That's fine. Give me my phone, man. Give me my phone.
Give her a
Give me my
phone.
phone. That's not hers. That's
Give
mine.
her a phone.
Give me my phone. I'll call the police. Give me
Bon,
my
même vous soyez pas gêné, vous faites. No, Roland, Pigot, I'll get yourself involved in that shit, man. No, come here, Pigot, I'll not mind fear, man. Shit. She has it.
Give me my phone now. That's my phone on your head. Give me my phone, lady. I don't got your phone. You do have my phone. Don't touch me. I'm not touching you, but give me my phone.
Pourquoi pas le téléphone? Give her a phone.
Yes,
You just say you have her phone.
no, this is my phone. That's not your phone. Give me my phone, lady. We will get out of my phone. Go in the car. Go in the car. Go in the car.
Let her deal with her.
Go in the car.
Let her deal with her.
Yeah, she took the plate keys too.
Right.
She had the keys as well.
Why you don't do it? You're too big for that.